Well, I've been playing music most my life and it's been fun. I never realized anything that I said could affect someone. I've done a lot of things in life people consider dumb, but moving to New Orleans was the smartest thing I've ever done. And I guess I'll give this another chance. It's more like picking up where I left off about 2 years ago. Before I lost my sanity and my head in my way, before I let others' opinions affect things I do or say. And I guess I'll give this another chance. I'm tired of losing sleep over it. I guess I'll give this another chance. Yeah, I'm tired of losing sleep over it now. Honestly it does, and I don't regret a second of it all, because my other thoughts are driving and the rest of me just rides, and I'm gonna live my life that way up until the day that I die.
What you doing with your life?
I don't have a clue, but as soon as I find out for sure the first person I'll tell is you.
What you doing with your life?
I guess I'm waiting to see, but no matter what the outcome is, the consequences follow me.